Hello, welcome to Affinity. We're going to just kind of have a little bit of fun whilst showing just some of the things that you can do with layers. So first of all, I'm going to file, open, and open a picture here, which is in a museum, and I'm going to open file, open again, and open another picture, which comes here in another tab, and this is the Jefferson Memorial, and this is Mr. Jefferson here. So we're going to take this one here, we're going to go up to him here, and we're going to select using the selection brush tool, making sure we've got snap to edges and soft edges selected, and we're just going to select here, and it's going to select most of it pretty quickly, and I can use subtract to take away the bits that I don't want here. I'll go back to add in the bits I do want, or hold on the Alt key and then paint away the things I don't want. So here we go, we've got this selected. There we go, that's enough. Now then, I'm going to hit Control C to copy. So and I've copied that. I could have used edit copy there, but standard Control C, Control V, because I'm going to paste it into this one. So this has got the layer here, single layer picture I just opened, but when I go edit and paste, then now I've got another layer here altogether, and here it is, it's in this here. If I click the move tool up here, these dots appear around it, and I can move this now around the place within this picture, or even sort of go outside, but that's not much good. Let's keep it inside. And I can use the corner picture ones here to make it bigger and smaller and so on. But what we'll do, just for fun, let's put in a ghost. So I'll put him here next to this other guy here, just to make him about the same size. Then put him over here. Now, so you can see what's going on, I'm going to change to the view tool here. But because we've got this layer here selected, because this is the second one we put in, and you can see a little tiny picture of it here, it's still called background, by the way. You can call it something else. I'm going to call him Jefferson. There we go. Now then, let's make him a ghost, because so what we'll do is we'll go to opacity here, click and hold the down arrow, and then slide backwards here, and if you look at Jefferson in the picture, it gets more and more transparent. And see the opacity here is down now below 50%, and there he is there. And what you've got is like a ghost in the gallery. So key thing about that is when you cut and paste into here, it comes in another layer, so you can bring in things from other pictures. And this here opacity makes a layer more transparent, which means you can see through it to whatever's underneath. Anyway, that's it. A bit of fun, but a bit of learning too. And thank you very much for watching.